Hey, it's freezing. Well, hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily. In today's episode, we're going to finish this. Did the door change, ball joint's done, flexi hose is done, track rod end's done, speakers are in, subs wired. I haven't repaired the passenger wheel arch. I had mopped and polished it. I'm still not completely happy with it. But today we're going to repair. Yeah, we're being cheapskates. We're going to repair the rear back box. So join us. We'll see if there's holes. We're going to be complete skinflints, and we're going to see if we can repair this for free. Right, so it feels like an absolute age since I did my first shaky video walking around this and talking about it. But here she is. It's my 02 Mk4 Golf, sitting on 18s. Absolutely love the wheels. Now, there's a few bits I still need to do to it. As you can cop, there's a lot of cat paw prints over it, so she needs a good wash. But she's going on a turkey run next Sunday. This is Sunday, the last Sunday in November. So here's where we're up to. Now, I went through a car wash and it absolutely destroyed the side of the car. So that's lovely. So we're going to see if we can polish that out at some stage. So I've been daily driving this the last, I say week and a half, and it hasn't missed a beat. Now, for anyone who wanted to see, there is the Ministry of Sound 6x9s. I don't know if that's a nostalgia thing for anyone. Now, I do notice the greenery here. As I said, we do have to give this car a nice clean. I'm just literally driving it just to see. There's my sub. It's missing the cap off it. Sounds lovely. So bring this to the inside. Now, there we go. So she's currently got a Sony head unit in it. It's not bad. It's very complicated to set up with the sounds and stuff like that, but I'm happy with it. And we have our little hoodie guy. I got him last Sunday at a market. There was a little girl selling them for €1, so I bought 2 of them. I think it looks cool. But anyway, less rabbiting. We'll get into this exhaust and we'll show you why we're doing it. Right, she basically failed her last NCT because there was holes in the exhaust. Now, I'm hoping it's just the back box, but should be a bit of a split there. And there's a bit of a split down further, but I can't see a reason why we can't weld it. Now, I think there's a hole further. I could be wrong, so what I'll do is I'll start the car and we'll see. Make sure she is out of gear, because I don't fancy it rolling down the hill. Apologise there talking like that. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have to drop the entire exhaust off it. Now I'm going to have help on this one today. Mark is arriving out and he's coming out. He has a bigger jack, so we're going to get the car right up in the air as high as we can, and we're going to go from there. So obviously cat and back box. Now the back box looks bad, but a bit of messing around with the MIG welder and we should have it sorted for no charge. Now, so Mark has arrived with a better jack. As you can see the difference. He is currently head under the car having a look. Doesn't want to be on camera, so we'll leave him be. You can hear him giggling at the back there. Right, so she's up in the air. Second opinion from Mark, and he said he has a Mk4 up there. And there's 2 exhausts, and what we're going to try and do is we're either going to stick the good one on it, or what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 bad exhausts into a good exhaust. We shall bring you back in. He's loading up with tools and he's going underneath it with the impact. He's used to it. He's done a few of these, so he'll have it off in a couple of minutes, where I'll be rolling around the floor for about an hour. I currently have the easy job. He has the 2 clamps off, so it's just a matter of beating it with a hammer. And then there's 2 products here. There's 2 brackets. There's one at the front and there's one at the back. You pull them off and then go from there. Right, so Mark is still hammering away under the car, but we have the back box off. The diagnosis it no look good. It's gone. It's gone. I thought I'd get away with it, but you can hear the insides of it and everything. So the only thing that we're going to do now is we're going to try and see if we can rescue the lovely tip off it. Hopefully we can, because I like it. We shall see. Now, that's that off. Screws actually come out quite easy. Does when you have a Mk4 impact. I have been told to get my shine box out and give that a shine before it goes on. Now the exhaust that we will be getting, I think, has a downturn on it, so we'll see if we go with the old one that has no insides in it. We'll just cut it and put that bit back on. But what we're going to do now is we are going to start it with no exhaust on, because we are absolute hooligans. Right, we had two options here. So one of the options, say hello Cooper, was this exhaust. So it's gone at the back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and see if I can repair on it. But for now, what we're going to do is, through the magic of the YouTubes, we have another Mk4 Golf, or Mk4 Golf. We also have that. That has been on the channel, I think. But onto this. So what we're going to do, because the subframe snapped on this, is, I don't know if anyone can see it, that's shiny. So we are going to liberate that and stick it on the Mk2, or Mk2 to Mk4. And subsequently this car will be going up for sale with a full NCT on it, so if you are interested, please drop me a line. It is an absolutely lovely clean car. As I said, snap subframe, but subframe will be replaced in it and it'll have a full NCT. Shy? Apparently he's shy, but there's Mark's feet. This is not OnlyFans, but yeah, we decided that the exhaust was toast. Absolute toast. So there's a lovely shiny new one on. So we just have to tighten up the clamp, and then what we're going to do to save us taking off, sorry but the horrible angle there, but to save taking off the rest of the exhaust is we're just going to gun the crap out of that, and it should be good to go. Right, so we are all done. Now I'm not happy with that, but look, there's an exhaust on it. It looks a little bit better than what was there, considering it wasn't connected. So we have an ass load of gum up the front, and we've a new back box in the back, and there's Mark going out there now. Big thank you to Mark, because he pulled the exhaust off the other car for me. He pulled the exhaust off the other car. As I said, the other car has a snapback axle on it, so mates rates and all that. So we'll start her up now and see what she sounds like. Sounds like there's still a bit of a hole somewhere. But it's not as bad as it was. Right, I am going to sit in the lovely, awesome recording studio, and I'm going to get this video edited and hopefully out to you today. What do you think? Mk4 hasn't been on the channel in a while. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share amongst your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.